without you? What am I do without you? Well, I guess I'm ready for settling down. The fooling around is over, and I swear it's true. No buts or maybes.